Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make long screenshots in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know on how to make long screenshots in Google Chrome? Well, maybe because your phone doesn't have the features to do the long screenshots, or you are using a computer or a laptop that doesn't have long screenshots too. So now I'm going to show you on how to make a long screenshot in Google Chrome. By the way guys, this is a very quick and simple yet powerful way because in just a few seconds you will be able to have your desire about the different stuff or information you need to save. Alright, so I know you are wondering now on how to do it, so let's get started. The first thing you have to do, of course, is go to your browser or your Google Chrome. Alright, so by the way, the good thing of this long screenshot, guys, is that you don't have to do the screenshots one by one because in just one picture, all the information, pictures, references, and other stuffs are already intact. So now, let's say, for example, let's going to have a research about the story of the old aged mother. All right, now, so if you want to get the whole story of this literature, guys, so all you have to do is just to do the long screenshots. At the upper part of the screen, there is a setting. Here, this three dot. Just click it and then click share. Now, there are different icons here below. The screenshot, long screenshot, copy link, send to your devices, QR code, and then print. Now, since we are talking about the long screenshots, just click this one, and then we will going to start now to adjust the screen. Guys, alright, like this one. Just drag the screen so that you will be able to get the picture of the whole story. Just drag it down up to the bottom of the screen you want. Alright, so let's say for example, after this one, guys, just click the check and then next, followed by save to device only. And file downloaded, and let's open it. Okay, so this is what the screenshots we have now. Okay, let's check it here to our gallery. Okay, let's see. All right, it works. So there you go. This is on how to do or to make the long screenshots in Google Chrome. So if you want to know on how to make a long screenshots in Google Chrome, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to make long screenshots in Google Chrome, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe. Bye guys!